Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the dollar definitely did turn down pretty nicely. My overall bias on the weekly is that we were going to go up a little bit more, maybe even take out this high up here. So I am definitely watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely. If we get a break to the upside at one of these Fib levels, especially on shorter time frames, I think we're going to have to go back to being long the dollar. But we definitely did bounce from the 90% Fibonacci extension, which was my target for a possible wave Z or a possible wave C of a flat. So there's a chance that it doesn't break up on shorter time frames. There's a chance that it just keeps on pushing down, eventually giving us a break of structure to the downside. So definitely just going with the flow for now. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely just going with the flow. My most recent BOS area, it would be right here. So if price breaks that high right there, then I definitely would become bullish the dollar, especially if it breaks that high at a Fibonacci level. So if it does go up and break that high, I definitely will go back to being bullish. If it goes up and doesn't break that high and instead makes another lower high, then I'll just continue to go with the flow. And the market flow is definitely down on the dollar. So I would take that information and I would apply it to the main dollar pairs and trade accordingly. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.